perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express an action which happened in the past before certain other action took place. So here we find two actions happened and sometimes almost simultaneously. For the first action which happened in the past before another past action happened or took place, then we use past perfect tense for the earlier, and for the later we use simple past tense. Here the structure is very simple, not so complex. Here we find, okay, you can see in the board, subject plus had plus verb past participle plus object. So this is the structure of past perfect tense. So we have to keep in mind that in past perfect tense sometimes we find it only this formula where only we find the past perfect tense happened. Subject, had, verb verb past participle plus object, and sometimes along with this structure we have to add the simple past tense plus simple past tense. The simple past tense is added here when we use before and when we use after. Sometimes we have to use before and sometimes we have to use after. So it will be clear when I'll give you some example. Okay, see some examples. He had reached the station. He had reached the station. He is the subject here. Subject. This had is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. And this is the main verb. Main verb, and it is past participle form. Participle. Okay, then the station, you can say, is the completion of the sentence. Here we can say it is extension of the verb. It is not the object as we find in some other sentence. Okay, so here it is not the whole sentence. We have to add the simple past along with it. He had reached the station before the train left. So before is the connective here. Okay, before the train left. So it is subject and it is verb past. Verb past. So here what we find, this latter one is simple past, and the first one is past perfect. Past perfect. Okay, although we find two parts of sentence here, two sentences joined together. One is past perfect, another is simple past, but it is not two separate identity here. As a whole, the whole sentence is past perfect sentence. The whole sentence is past perfect sentence. Okay, past perfect tense sentence of the past perfect tense. Here what we find, he had reached the station before the train left. Okay. So another example, you can see the doctor had arrived before the patient died. The doctor had arrived before the patient died. So here also we find the doctor had arrived. This one is past perfect, and before the patient died, this was in simple past. However, we tell the sentence, we identify the sentence as past perfect sentence. Past perfect. Okay. So the doctor had arrived. This action happened earlier. The doctor had arrived before the patient died. The patient died later. Okay. So for the earlier we use past perfect tense, and for the later we use simple past tense. I think it is clear to you. Thank you. If you like this, then don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Okay. And also press the bell button, and I thank all my subscribers. Now I have 57 subscribers till now, but I don't know why the views are so less. Okay, perhaps you have not seen my videos, perhaps it is not preached to you, so don't forget to press the bell button when you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.